redefine what it means to shine on the global stage.
Yes, and I'm so excited. You know, we don't have to look anywhere else, diba, Sam? The music, the passion, the energy, the commitment, and everything, the fire, all comes from homegrown brilliance. And tonight, they are here on this stage, ready to light up Makati City in full color!
So if you know, as we've been saying since earlier, have a full stack of performance.
Yes.
Like our very own Juan Carlos.
Sino excited makita si Juan Carlos? Of course, nandito rin ang cast of Theater Group Asia's A Chorus Line.
Okay, para sa mga theater kids natin naman ngayon, kung marami yan dito sa Makati City. And for those of you who love your reality shows, we also have Sofronio Vasquez.
That's right, I am so excited. And eto pa, nandito rin ang Divine Divas!
Siyempre, hindi rin magpapatalo si Morissette!
My goodness! And eto, I think ang dami-daming nandito, malapit sa stage na nag-aantay. So before I hype them up, pumunta lang kayo malapit dito ha. This is free dun sa area na yan. So come closer to the stage because guess what? Later on, we're gonna have Cup of Joe!
Yun. And of course, to cap off the night before we experience our fireworks and welcome 2026, we have the icon himself, Ellie Buendia!
So excited.
Okay, so when the clock strikes 12, the historic parole drop, and the most awaited grand fireworks display to light up the Makati sky. So talagang kaabang-abang natin yun. So it's truly making history again tonight.
Alright, another history.
Another one.
And another one. Ganun siya.
Another one.
Another one. Diba? Very good. Now, we have our food and merchant areas over there where I'm pointing at. So dyan lang. Yes, enjoy that. Yes, that's right. And we have medic stations as well for those who need assistance. So lahat talagang pinaghandaan, no, for a smooth and really festive experience. And para sa mga handa pang magpuyat, sa unang araw ng taon, we will be having a full-on dance party! Yes, that's gonna happen later on at the Ayala Triangle with beats by the Studio Dance Club at exactly 1 a.m. Diba? Talagang the party never stops.
Won't stop until next year.
Until next... Ay, gusto ko yun. It won't stop till next year. That's a really good one. Because that's actually true. It won't stop until next year. And all of that, ladies and gentlemen, are thanks to Ayala Land Incorporated, the local government of Makati, and of course, Make It Makati for giving us the center stage to celebrate global Filipino artists right here in the heart of the district, the country's premier district at that, where talent, innovation, and culture collide in full spectrum.
I love it. There's nothing like partying here in Makati because not only that, we also have the best shopping malls just around the corner, diba? Dito pa, may Glorieta, may Greenbelt, diba? All of them around the corner. And they are also home to the most iconic corporate addresses, the country's premier hotels, towering residential towers, and the brightest arts and culture hubs. You name it, Makati's got it. There's no place we'd rather be than here tonight.
Yep, that's right.
Okay, and Candy, look around. Look around
Wala akong nakita eh.
We are actually ang lakas ng ilaw, pero imagination na lang because we're literally standing at the intersection of the past and the beautiful horizon as our backdrop on this stunning set by Enzo Pizarro. Palakpakan naman po natin, di ba? Ganda talaga ng stage natin this evening. Plus, this incredible view of all of you filling the avenue. Ang ganda talaga. If you could see the view that we're sitting right now.
I know. I think we're gonna have to take a selfie later on pag puno na talaga. So again, at this point, we would like to invite everybody to come closer, come here because we've got an amazing, amazing show for you guys tonight. Now, from the skyline to the street level, talagang buong lungsod, Sam, kasali sa celebration tonight because this is Makati, where the city itself becomes the stage and where the future shall unfold right in front of us come midnight.
You said it, Candy, and right here in the center of Makati is where 2026 comes alive. A canvas waiting to be painted in every bold, bright shade of possibility. It's proof that when creativity meets opportunity, the world doesn't just watch, it lights up, comes together, and celebrates in full color, partying like there's no tomorrow.
Yes, and party like there's no tomorrow is what's gonna happen later on. So again, we remind everyone, I'm sure a lot of you are taking and videos already. Make sure not to let that rot in your gallery and upload it, okay? And use our hashtags for tonight. Of course, we have hashtag Makati in full color, hashtag Ayala Avenue NYE 2026, and hashtag Make It Makati. And like I said, upload it and let everybody know that for New Year's Eve, this is the perfect place to be as we make it happen. Make it Makati.
Ayun. So again, don't forget to use all our hashtags and mention